안녕하십니까?
Hi.
Is anybody here?
No one's here. Is it going?
들어오십시오. Oh, one.
One
one
person.
person.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 와,
Maybe
진짜.
the service is slow.
Is that two?
Yes, 2 people watching.
Well, because it's like 4 a.m. in Korea.
Yeah, it is.
Actually. Well, we're at Long and Claire's Soho flagship store.
Yes.
So they'll see this in the morning or something, right?
Yeah, probably.
We're doing like a.
Cute. Wait, we should take a cute selfie. Ever get closer. Okay.
Oh, they're all coming in!
Hi.
So these are my bodyguards for
Bodyguards.
today. That's so cool. And leather jacket.
I'm wearing the block leather jacket and the destroyed t-shirt.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. I'm obsessed.
Yes, my shirt is also destroyed by Jessica and me.
She hand destroyed
I
it.
destroyed it.
Let me just do it one more time for you.
Let's have the aviator.
Oh, these are your gifts, right?
Yes.
Yeah. 이거 되게 예쁜 것 같아.
이거 진짜 예뻐.
이거 언니한테 잘 어울려. 이건 너한테 잘 어울려.
I'm gonna go fly in airplanes now.
Yeah. Oh, for me too. Okay, you. Okay.
Jessica and me,
Perfect.
show us your CEO look.
There we go.
이거야? 아니야?
맞아 맞아.
Yeah. Hand in one pocket.
이렇게.
예뻐 예뻐. 맞아. 그거야. 그거예요.
What are they saying?
Hi.
Cute. Hello.
We're here to support Jess.
They're
at
so
her
awesome.
store. It's so beautiful. I'm
Come.
so proud of you.
Please come.
I'm gonna cry. No, seriously,
Jessica
I'm
언니는
so proud of
역시.
you. You
Come,
have
you
to
guys.
check it out.
I can't really see.
Everybody's saying I love you. Everybody's saying that they love you.
Yeah, they just
We love you too.
We only, it's love only here.
Someone said it's 5 a.m. where they are.
Irene the Great.
Irene the Great. Irene the Great.
Guys,
Irene the Great. Amber the
One of mine.
amazing.
The amazing.
Jessica
the fabulous. The fabulous.
The fabulous boss lady.
Alright, what is it?
Bars.
Turkey.
Amber.
I just couldn't.
I know, we
just can't.
You just can't.
You just can't.
You just can't.
Yeah.
But everybody loves you, Jess. Look at they're all saying that they love you.
Shall we go to like the front of the
Yeah,
store?
let's go.
This is like the denim section. Dude, this is so cute. Dreaming.
So cute. You have rice Krispies?
Yeah. Is my phone gonna fall or something? Like it's like all over.
Is it gonna fall?
It's fine.
It feels
Yeah. Let's go to like the front of the store. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Did you get some champagne? Yeah, so this is like the sunglass section. And they already picked theirs out, so. This is so funny mean, we all have sunglasses on, and there's like sunglasses in the lap.
Like a fake wall.
I know. We already did our dance.
I know. Did you see our dance?
I did. The squid dance.
Did you guys see our dance? My squid dance? I'm sorry.
To Wonderland. 나 이거 뺐는데 괜찮지? 이거 어디서 뺐지?
Yeah. Hi.
Jess's sword is so amazing. So
We
come.
love her. She's our favorite person in the world.
See, in Blanc and Eclair, the A is actually for Amber.
And the N is for the N in Irene.
And the E too.
And the E.
Yeah.
And the R.
No, actually the B was a mistake. It's supposed to be Blanc and Eclair.
Long Kitty Claire. Long Kitty Claire.
But Jessica and Nia couldn't be too obvious.
Look how cute she is.
I'm sweating. I think I'm sweating.
Why are you sweating?
Because I was like excited. It's hot in there. Aww.
So okay, so what
What are we doing?
What should we do?
Yeah, what should we do?
We're not doing it. We're just saying hello and then we can say bye.
Okay. Bye.
여기는 뉴욕이었고요.
네, 저희가 이렇게 패션 위크 때
네.
뉴욕에서 제시카의 블랑케니클레어 소 부티크에 놀러 왔습니다.
고마워. 안녕.
언니, 제시카 언니 짱이에요.
아 고마워. 너무 와줘서 고맙고 그리고 우리는 한국에서 또 만나요. 어떻게 끄는